Hi, how you doing today? Dave with Renko Kings here. Renko Kings provides you with simple, clear entries. Today is Monday, January 11th, 2021. It's about 7:15 p.m. Eastern Time, and we're looking at the Russell, the RTY, the micro RTY, which is M2K. And
2K trade
back
alert.
this up a little bit here. I want to show you this this red vertical line. This is the end of yesterday's session this afternoon, and then right here is the beginning of
M2K
what we call
trade
the
alert.
overnight session. So what sticks out to me that I like about this is look at the stair stepping we have in place. Okay, it starts all the way back here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and you know it continues, and now we've broken through the previous high here, retraced, and we got some nice signals. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to wait and see if we get a deeper pullback. You know, in a slow moving market like this, I'm really not interested in taking this signal. You know, if we were at the open of the U.S. market and there's a lot of volatility and a lot of movement, I would have no problem in this setup with everything that's presented to me.
M2K trade alert.
Taking that teal or gray entry signal. But in the evening, like it is now, it's quite a bit tamer. It's a lot slower, and I'd really like to just wait and see if this maybe goes away and we get a deeper pullback. So I'm just going to be patient and stick with what my gut's telling me.
Order submitted.
Okay, so I'm glad I was patient and waited. And, you know, we have all of these red signals here, so I have no issue with taking a red entry right now. Okay, so we got filled. We're going to go ahead and mark our entry.
Target filled.
Nice, nice. Okay, so we got 34 ticks on that first one. And the reason it's not 26 is because my second target at 78 was up here above the next pivot point, and I didn't like that. So I had to draw this one down, I don't know, 6 ticks or something. So I expanded my first target up 6 ticks to balance it out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trail the bar close indicator now, because we're getting real close to this pivot, and sometimes it just gets within a finger's width and can turn around. So I don't want to give up any of that profit. We've got 48 ticks locked in.
Stop filled.
Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, 34 plus 48 is 82 ticks. Nice. Nice on just 2 contracts. That's a nice little trade. And the M2K or the micro Russell is 50 cents a tick. In case you didn't know that, or you're a Forex guy. So that's $41 in profit. And I get asked a lot, well, you know, I can't live off of $41. Well, no, you really can't. But this is a stepping tool to go from sim to micros to e-minis. Okay, so if you were trading the RTY, this would be $410 because the RTY is $5 a tick. Okay, so this is just a training tool to help you get used to trading real dollars. You have to graduate from your sim account, have 3-4 months of positive track record, and then once you're have that track record, then you can move on to the micros. You might have to go back and forth because you're going to have some psychological effects of it being real money now, okay? And you might have to go back to sim, back to micros, back to sim, etc., okay? And after you've got 3-4 months of the trading log that I give you with good solid results, well then now it's time to graduate up to the e-minis and at $5 a tick, okay? And you know, $410 times 20 trading days in a month, it's $8,200 a month, okay? So that's significant. And then you just start adding contracts as your account grows. Okay, so if you're trading 1, then you go to 2, then you go to 3, then you go to 4, you go to 5. So you're not changing your setup, you're not changing anything of what you've learned to do. The only thing you're changing is how many contracts you're now trading. Okay, so you know, this was a really good example. You know, it shows the power of the stair stepping. Make sure that you are in the trend. That's the purpose of the stair stepping. Renko Kings is a trend-based algorithm, and it's looking for setups when the market's trending, and it tries to keep you out of setups when it's not trending. Okay, so I hope this example helps. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'm always happy to help. If I can't answer it in an email, then we'll jump on a Skype call and I'll share my screen and we can do it that way. Okay, so you guys keep at it, keep practicing, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below.